Hello everyone, welcome to Enception EV. Today I am going to give a small demonstration of my prototype that I have built for quite some time, and it's not completed yet. I am still working on the putting together all the electronics and the programming as well. Soon there will be a complete product review, but I think let's just start showing what I have right now and get some opinions. Let's imagine a future electric vehicles. What is your perception about future electric vehicles? You don't need to worry about too much. Let me share what I think the future EV will look like. For me, the future electric vehicles will be lightweight, compact, more efficient, less power hungry, and will be more efficient for our road system to get rid of the traffic jam issues we are facing every day. From that sense, let's think your better vehicles are more light, your motors are more efficient. So do you think you will need a hefty battery to power it on? I think then the future electric vehicles will not require a bulky battery setup anymore, and the battery will be swappable. If you have a battery pack which can be used in multiple electric vehicles, how cool it will be using a future electric vehicles. You don't have to buy batteries for each vehicles, but 2 or 3 units to power your two-wheeler, three-wheeler, or four-wheeler. That's why Inception EV came up with its solution. Inception EV, I have built a battery pack powerful enough to give a good enough mileage for a lightweight two-wheeler vehicles. With just one battery pack, you will get right now 1.44 kilowatt hour. I know it's not enough, but imagine the battery technology was 2 years ago. You cannot imagine a 1.44 kilowatt hour power storage in this shape, right? Think what will be in future. And my belief is with this size, I can store twice as much power in coming 1 or 2 years. Inception EV's goal is to solidify a universal shape for a universal battery pack. If I have a universal shape today, you can just easily adopt it, and automakers will not have to worry about batteries anymore, because with Inception EV we are going to provide these battery packs in subscription based program. If you are an automaker today, building an EV is so easy, right? Anyone can build his own EVs. If you are an automaker, want to build your own EV, and if I tell you that you just build or focus on your EV, make it more user friendly, make its performance for the greater good, we will take care of your battery system. Use our technology, just build your EV, your users will rent our battery packs with subscription. It's a win-win situation. You don't have as an automaker, you don't have to worry about battery anymore. As a EV user, you don't have to purchase multiple batteries for multiple EVs. It's a great solution for future EV owners or future automakers. Then comes this bad boy. This is I call micropod. It's a single unit charging system which is capable of charging your batteries, and also it is AI powered. That means it will take a great care of your battery packs, so your battery can last, or the battery can hold more charge, or battery can provide best mileage. You can put hundreds of micropod in a array, or any way put them together, they will work as a complete swap stations. Let me show you how easy to use this. Here is our battery pack, right? It's 1.44 kilowatt hour and 72 volts. It's only 13 kilogram and 500 grams. I think it's not gonna be very hard to use, as your battery goes in like this, it's plugged in, and then the charging system will determine how much charge this battery have, and what is the battery condition, and then how fast it should charge. So this will take care of the battery and setting its own charging profile, so the battery can charge more efficiently with less heating issues and fast enough. And then once the charge is completed, you can just take the battery out and put it on your vehicles. Now when you are using our commercial swap hubs, you don't need to wait to complete the charging of your battery. Just give your depleted battery to the hub owner. He will give you a fully charged battery within seconds, and you are good to go again. And how hassle free it will be. This is the goal of Enception EV. We want to completely eliminate the charging delay altogether. That's Enception EV, and hope you like it, and there will be more updates coming in future. I have waited about 3 years now for this demonstration. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this technology? I want all your engagement on this, and share me your valuable thoughts, and that will make me help to make this system more user friendly. Hope you like it, and that's all for today. Peace.